Hey guys, it's Katie again. I'm back for part 3 of my dollar store winter bust series. Today I'm going to be trying out a one-step mini tie-dye kit. Also from Dollarama, like the last 2 kits I tried out. This one comes with everything you need to make your very own tie-dye shirt or socks or whatever you want to do. Comes with 2 mini squeeze bottles. The dye it came with is royal blue and green, 2 protective gloves, 5 rubber bands, and then some ideas for inspiration for your project. I did tie-dye when I was a kid, but I have not done it in a number of years, so I'm really excited to do this one. I think it's going to be a win. I don't think it's too hard to mess up tie-dye, but you never know. And I'm pretty sure I've seen this brand at stores like Michael's, so I think it's a brand you can trust, and I'm excited to see what happens. I picked up a plain white t-shirt at Michael's. It was $5, I believe, but of course I used my 40% off coupon on it, so it was a little less than that. And I think at Michael's I saw this kit was something like $10, and I got it at the dollar store. So I'd say that's a win in and of itself. So I'm not going to babble on anymore. Let's get to it. Hey guys, I just got my finished shirt out of the dryer, and this is what it looks like. I know some of you are probably thinking tie-dye, that's terrible. Who would ever want to wear that? But I think it's fun, and I had a lot of fun doing it. The kit, no problems with it whatsoever. So if you see it at your dollar store, definitely get it there. Don't pay a bunch of extra money at a fancy craft store. It does the exact same thing. You get the same results. And you will never end up with any item that has the exact same design. So I think that's really fun. You always end up with a one-of-a-kind piece. The only tip I have, if you're going to do tie-dye, whether it's with the dollar store kit or any kit, wear gloves. I wore gloves, but a little bit of the dye did get on my upper arm, and I had to scrub to get it off. So the last thing you want is to get your hands covered in dye as you're applying it or as you're wringing it out when you're rinsing off the excess dye before washing it in you're washing your shirt in the washing machine. Most kits come with gloves that you can wear, which is good, but if you need an extra pair or your kit doesn't come with a pair of gloves for some reason, just pick up a pair of, what do you call them? Like the yellow rubber gloves at a dollar store. They carry them in all different sizes, and they're super inexpensive to grab. So definitely have, I would say, at least 2 pairs of gloves on hand that you can use. One for actually applying the dye, and then the other for wringing everything out once the dye has set and you have to rinse it all out in your laundry tub. Yeah, I'd call this, again, another win. 3 in a row, but this one was a lot of fun. It made me think of doing tie-dye back when I was a kid, which was fun. And yeah, it's just a cute little shirt that you can wear in the summer, or if you are feeling super adventurous, you could try doing a whole sweatshirt, or I don't know, a pair of white jeans, or whatever you want. The kit comes with instructions, and it tells you which fabrics work best. So as long as you reference that, and whatever piece you're working with is a good material to be using the dye on, then go for it. See what you can come up with. Try using the elastics in different ways, twisting the garment in different ways. You never know what you're going to end up with. So I hope you enjoyed this episode of Dollar Store Winner Bust. I think this is going to be the last one of this series for a while. Not forever, but just for now. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you see any other cool kits you want me to try out. Let me know in a comment or send me a message through my website. Yeah, but I hope you guys had fun, as much fun as I did with this series, and I will see you again soon. Thanks.